Hello and welcome back to MGN Echo. My name is Ovela.
My name is Angel.
And you know what? We're gonna be reacting to the full song of the Sickick Fidget Spinner Riddim music video. He released a very short teaser like 2 days ago, and the Sickick army was all like, "Oh, you guys gotta react to it," but it was too short, you know, to really like get into the studio, get everything together, and you know, do all that for just a minute, not even.
And we had a feeling that this was just a teaser.
Exactly.
That more was to come because it's ended just way too abruptly.
Yeah. And he doesn't half-ass things basically, right? So we were like, we're gonna wait and we're gonna react to the full song, and here it is. And before I even saw it on Facebook, one of the Sickick army members sent me a message and he was like, "You should do it right now." But as of now, it's exclusive to the his Facebook followers, and since we are one of them,
nice.
We basically have to wait for him to release it worldwide for us to release our reaction, obviously.
Yeah.
But by then, it will be worldwide while you're watching this video. So, shall we?
I'm excited. I'm waiting.
And stay tuned to MGN for our impressions on this awesome beat. Shall we?
We shall.
Oh snap! Someone sent him the...
Or he found it.
Oh snap! That's where the teaser started. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh no. Oh no.
Why don't you sit down, baby girl, and we can talk all through the night. You can push and pull my heart, I promise I won't tell no lie. You've been asking me for time if you think you are not alright, but baby, don't tell me you ain't seeing all the signs. You keep holding out the things that only play out in your mind. And I'm glad we had this talk, cause I've been holding it inside. We go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until we die. We keep spinning around in circles, all I hear is you don't love me. You don't love me. You must be crazy if you think I'm waiting.
Wait for it. Hey, mon frère. Hey. Yes, yes. Mon Dieu.
To end, you don't get the cold, girl. I don't need your love to the cold, girl. Even if you're thirsty, I'll cut your water. I don't wanna yell this time, so I'ma whisper. Cause you need to go your way. Pack up your things, find a brighter day. Cause you fuck up my brain when I hear you say you don't love me. You don't love me. You must be crazy.
Sickick.
If you think I'm waiting. Oh, you don't love me. You don't love me. You make me crazy. Baby, I'm just not ready.
Terrible. Sick.
Oh. Amazing.
My God, this guy is fantastic.
Fantastic.
This is his forte. The rhythm.
Let's talk about it.
Yes. Poor Sickick. Let's talk about this in our impression video that will appear here very soon. And also, I leave the link of the impression video in the reaction video in the description below, and vice versa. In the impression video, I leave the link of the reaction video in the description box. So, yeah. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell as well.
Okay. And if you have to go, that's okay. We understand being busy. Before you go, click on the like button and subscribe to Music Game News if you haven't already. More fun and discoverers coming your way. You don't want to miss out. So subscribe. And if you have, thank you very much. One big important thing. We just opened Music Game News' Patreon account. We are counting on you to be part of the evolution, the growth of Music Game News. MGN needs you to go over there and check out. We've got different subscription options for you, different reward programs for you to subscribe to Music Game News. You get something back, right? You give a little, get a little. So check it out. The link is in the description box below. We really appreciate it. Do us a solid, go on. Check that out.
Thank you for your support.
And thanks for watching another MGN the Echo reaction video. We're going to move on now to the impressions video where we're going to talk about what we just saw. And I think we have things to say. So you want to join the conversation? Click on over. So let's go. Yeah, you.
Yeah, you. Peace out.